Discover how to build muscle and burn fat with no gyms, equipment, or complicated exercises. Have you ever tried to lose weight and get healthy? Only to discover that you need to invest a fortune to start getting in shape. When most people decide to lose weight and get in shape, they invest in things like gym memberships, personal trainers, expensive exercise equipment, and even fitness-related clothing. All of these can add up quickly. In fact, you can find yourself investing hundreds and potentially even thousands of dollars before you lose your first pound. But what if you didn't need any of that to lose weight and get in the best shape of your life? What if all you needed to lose weight and build muscle is a few minutes per day and your own body? No gyms, no trainers, and no expensive equipment. The good news is that's possible with bodyweight training. There are 3 big benefits of training using just your body weight. The first big benefit is that it just makes sense. You don't have to spend money and you can exercise anywhere, at any time. Bodyweight training is great for those on a limited budget or those that might do a lot of travel. The second big benefit is that it's natural. Your risk of injury is lower and you can very often get better results than with equipment. The third big reason why you should seriously consider bodyweight training is simply because it's fun. And when something is fun, you're far more likely to stick with it and get results. So, if bodyweight training is so great, why aren't more people doing it to get great results? Simple. Most people don't know what they're doing. To get results with bodyweight training, you need to learn from someone that knows what they're doing. That's because if you do things the wrong way, you could find yourself wasting a lot of time. And even putting yourself at risk for an injury. That's why I've put together the ultimate step-by-step guide to losing weight and getting in shape without spending money on expensive equipment or gym memberships. The guide is based on what works and gives you step-by-step instructions that are easy to follow. To quickly get you in the best shape of your entire life. Here's the bottom line. When you follow my guide, you will be able to get into the best shape of your life. Inside you'll discover the many benefits of bodyweight training, why most traditional workouts fail. It's not why you think. The SSE workout and why it works. How to build big muscles extremely quickly without using any equipment. The science behind bodyweight training and why it's in your favor. The power of intensity training and how to get the most from your bodyweight workouts. Plus, how to build massive biceps without using any weights. Why going to the gym can slow down your progress. Actual exercises that are proven to quickly increase strength using only your body weight. How to burn fat and improve your health without dieting. And a whole lot more. This guide will give you everything you need to burn fat and build muscle extremely quickly, without ever investing a dime in equipment. At this point, you may be wondering if this guide is for you. If you answer yes to any of these, you need this. You're looking to lose weight. You want to build muscle and get stronger. You don't have a massive budget to invest in gym memberships and equipment. You've tried fitness programs in the past and didn't get solid results. Or you're simply looking for a proven plan to improve your health. When you make the wise decision to grab my guide today, you'll get everything you need to lose weight and get in the shape of your life, without investing a penny in equipment or gym memberships. And you can begin seeing results in as little as a few days. But really, the best part about this is the low price. Although what you'll learn inside is the next best thing to spending hundreds or even thousands of dollars on a private fitness and strength building expert, you won't pay anywhere near that today. For a very limited time, you can get access to this for less than you'd spend on a few days at the gym. To get started and lock in your special pricing, click the Add to Cart button below. And it's about to get even better. When you take action today, you'll get some extremely valuable fast action bonuses. Fast action bonus number 1 is a cheat sheet that breaks down the guide into some very easy to follow step-by-step methods for losing weight and building muscle. This cheat sheet makes it easy to stay focused and committed to getting the best results possible with bodyweight training. Fast action bonus number 2 is a mind map that gives you an overview of everything inside the guide. It's great for those people that need to see it all laid out in a visual format. Fast action bonus number 3 is a resource guide that conveniently lists all of the important tools and resources you need to lose weight and build muscle with bodyweight training. And fast action bonus number 4 is a beautiful infographic that illustrates exactly how to do the most important bodyweight exercises to get results. And to make this a total no-brainer, you don't even have to make a decision today. You get a full 30 days to test drive this life-changing bodyweight training guide to make sure this is for you. If for any reason, or no reason at all, you're not 100% satisfied with what's inside, simply let me know and I'll promptly refund your tiny investment. No questions asked. Don't delay. If you come back tomorrow, the price may be higher and this offer may not even be available. If you're ready to lose weight, build strength and get in awesome shape, this bodyweight training guide is for you. Click the button below to get instant access and get started today.